Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn how to add a logo or watermark on a video on Filmora. So, after we uploaded our logo, let's upload now a simple video. We will choose one from stock videos. Now click and drag the logo to the timeline. Now we will resize the logo as we want. The logo should be PNG format in order to look better. You can also add a shadow or any other effect you want. Also, you can mask the logo to the formats you see here. You can put any animation you want. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.